Epson unveils the EB-XQ2030B, a compact 30,000 lumen 4K powerhouse. Epson has introduced the EB-XQ2030B, a new high-performance laser projector designed for professional environments that demand extreme brightness and premium image quality. Positioned as one of the world's smallest and lightest projectors in the 30,000 lumen category, this model aims to redefine expectations for large venue projection without the bulk typically associated with ultra-bright systems. Exceptional brightness and 4K clarity. The standout feature of the EB-XQ2030B is its remarkable 30,000 lumens of brightness in standard mode, making it ideal for auditoriums, live events, exhibitions, and large conference spaces. Even in eco mode, it maintains impressive brightness while reducing power consumption. The projector delivers native 4K resolution, 3840 x 2160, ensuring sharp detail and clarity across massive screen sizes. Epson also integrates advanced image processing technologies to enhance motion handling and color accuracy. With a contrast ratio exceeding 5 million to 1, the projector produces deep blacks and vibrant highlights, resulting in dynamic visuals suited for both video playback and detailed presentations. Compact design for professional flexibility. Despite its high brightness output, the EB-XQ2030B is engineered to remain compact and relatively lightweight compared to other projectors in its class. This makes transportation, installation, and maintenance significantly easier, an important advantage for rental companies and event organizers who frequently move equipment between venues. The projector supports a wide range of interchangeable lenses, offering flexible throw ratios to accommodate various room sizes and projection distances. Motorized lens, shift, zoom, and focus functions allow for precise adjustments, simplifying setup in complex installations. Modern connectivity and expansion. Connectivity is another strength of the EB-XQ2030B. It includes HDMI with HDCP support, HDBaseT for long-distance signal transmission, and an Intel SDM slot for optional expansion modules. Wireless capabilities such as Apple AirPlay 2 and Miracast enable seamless screen sharing, enhancing collaboration in corporate and educational settings. The laser light source is rated for up to 20,000 hours of operation, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. An advanced cooling system ensures stable performance during extended use, making it suitable for continuous operation in demanding environments. Debut and market position. The projector was showcased at Integrated Systems Europe 2026, where it drew attention for combining extreme brightness with a relatively compact chassis. Industry coverage, including reports from Notebook Check, highlights its potential impact on the professional projection market.